YouTube family, what's going on? It's your boy. We at it again. Out here in these streets at the mall, taking it easy. It's raining today, sleeting, and a little bit of snow. I thought I'd come on because I ain't been on in a while. Babe at work. And I'm just out, so I won't be in the house all day, trying to get my youngest grandson something because his birthday is today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell. I'm out here at the mall, walking around. This place is called, well, I'm not going to say the name because I don't know. YouTube's so funny about everything. But it's a big mall in Virginia. And in the Short Pump area, a lot of people come here to shop and everything. They don't care if it's snowing on the ground or ice. They will shop here. And I might go look at some frames for my eyes. But other than that, that's it. How y'all been doing? Hope y'all been doing good. Everything is well with everybody. I would like to thank our subscribers. We're moving up slowly but surely. So we want to say thank you very much. And we're happy to have our subscribers. Other than that, how's everything going with all the situations that is going on? But just remember, we gonna be okay. So I'm gonna run up in here and I'm gonna get back with you. Peace. All right. And I'm back. It was some things that I wanted to come on and talk about, but then I thought about it, so I said that I won't gonna do it because they probably won't post it because YouTube gets so many rules and regulations. But this way, there is a few people out here. I'm gonna show you the mall and everything. So, a few people out here, and so I'm out here, and I'm getting ready to go on back home and take it easy. All right, so I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna look around, okay, and see what I see. Peace. Take it easy. It's your boy. We at it again. We love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. We know you don't like it, but we love you anyway. Peace. Okay, I'm in here waiting because I came in here to get my bracelet cleaned, and so I get it clean. Try to get it clean like once every other month, and in this particular store. So I'm not gonna tell you where I'm at. Well, you might can see, but I'm getting my bracelet clean, waiting for the bracelet. And then everybody like, can I help you? Can I help you? No, I'm not spending no money today. So what is y'all doing on this rainy day? Because I'm out here trying to get some of this rain air and doing a little bit of walking. That's about it. And waiting on my bracelet. So that's what I'm doing. Waiting. Oh, here she come. I'll get with y'all later. Peace. Well, I got my bracelet clean. I looked at some eye frames, glasses for what I'm gonna get for this coming summer. Now I'm going home. Take it easy. And get ready to go to my grandson little party at I think it's gonna be at Chuck E. Cheese. And going to his little birthday party. And Babe is gonna meet me there. I bet you y'all say, Babe, always working. Yes, she's a nurse. I call it a true nurse because she loves her job and she loves taking care of the patients that she has to deal with. So, other than that, I'm getting ready to go on home and take it easy. How y'all doing? They looking like, why is he talking to himself? Y'all check me out. I'm on YouTube. We at it again, LOL. Separate words. Look. They were saying, oh no. No, they was, what the hell he talking to his damn self? That's what they were doing. I got a lot of that today. Talking to myself. So, we making it on to the GOAT. I ain't drove the GOAT in a while, so I thought I'd drive it. The GOAT got to get inspected. So I got to get it ready for, camping season. There go the GOAT sitting right there. Check it out. The GOAT sitting right there. Yes, I got 2 parking spaces because it won't fit in to 1 parking space. So yeah, I had to take 2. All right, that's what I had to do. So we got to do what it do. We got to do what it do. All right. So we're getting ready to get on out of here. Damn step is high. We're getting ready to get on out of here. I got one more stop. And hold on for a minute. Hold on, fam. Got one more stop. And I'm heading home to relax. I might smoke me a cigar. And that gonna be it. So, it's your boy. We at it again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this year I'm shooting for the biggest number ever. And the biggest number far as for me, I'm gonna tell you right now what the number is. 500 subscribers. I'm halfway there, so that can tell you the numbers. Come on now, y'all help me out. I'm shooting for 500 subscribers by the end of this year. Now, that's a long time, correct? So, it's your boy. We at it again. Babe at work. I'm out here in this rain. I'm getting ready to go home. Listen, we love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. We know you don't like it, but we love you anyway.